my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, today's look is a monochrome look. For those of you that are saying, Fumi, what's a monochrome look? That means that you're having kind of pink cheeks, you're having pink eyes, you're having pink lips. It's all in the same kind of family. And I thought, you know what, let me give you guys like a double wing. Let me just be sexy kind of sorta. And I just love this. You know, you can wear this out. It's a bit dramatic, but at the same time it's gorgeous. You know, when you see all those girls in the music videos and you're like, oh, I love her makeup. It's one of those. It's one of those for a little bit of pop. You know what I mean? And it's all about Ofra, one of my favorite brands ever. And I don't use enough of them, and I wanted to share with you guys. Smile, you are beautiful. Just, that's the positivity that I like, that we need to radiate for all of us, you know, and share. So we're using their palettes. They also have Milk and Cookies, which is brand spanking new. And then we also have the Sweet Electric palette that is all over my eyes. We also have, my darlings, Squad Duo. When I tell you, all about Ofra, all about Ofra. Love their packaging. And then we are also going to play with their lipstick called Glossip. Smells so sweet, smells so sweet. And we are going to find out if, my darlings, their Real Magnetic Benefit mascara, which they just launched, we're going to play with this. So it's going to be such a fun episode. I want you guys to sit back and relax and enjoy, okay? So we're going to go with JUVIAS Place. I love JUVIAS, as you very well know. Discount code FUMI, F-U-M-I. And then we're going to go in with this brown shade right here. And we're just going to put this into the socket and just warm up the eye all the way around. That's it. Just give it some kind of vunage. Just warm it up. Yes, all the way. You know how I like to bring it all the way out so the complete eye area is intacto. Then we're going to go in with the Ofra, the new Solstice palette. Yep. And we're going to go in with this burgundy shade right here. Okay? Because it says, smile, you're beautiful. Why not? Just to give it a little pumper-loops. So we're going to go right up there again and just punch that color in. Just punch it in. Right there. All the way. Can you see? Just give it some definition. I love this shade so very much. It's so beautiful. All the way out onto the eyes. Gorgeous. Oh. So you just punch this in like so, okay, and just trace it almost all around. Okay, I'm going to go with Makeup Revolution Deep Dark. I'm going to go with Mitchell's brush, one of the eye brushes from his 4 eye brushes. We're going to swirl in this pan, and we are going to go into the crease right here, right there. You want it to have a gradient effect, a fade, where you can see one shade and you can see the other. And then just kind of brush it out. So it has that kind of gradient fade effect, and you just want to just blend that all the way out. There you go. Just blend it beautifully and leave it as so. We're going to take the fan brush, one of my favorites, one of my favorite palettes today by Ofra. And this is called the MIDI palette Sweet Electric. My favorite color in this palette is called Crazy Pink. This shade right here, and we're just going to put this onto the brow bone, and we're just going to touch it up there and just fan it out. It's such a beautiful color, and you just fan it out. I've done this 100 times, but I'll do it again for you guys to see because I have so many new followers. Literally scratch it down. One of my favorite brushes of all time. It is such a beautiful pink. It just works. And on my dark complexion, oh, it's heaven. And you guys don't forget to use my discount code for Ofra Yes, my darlings, guess what it is? F-U-M-I. Yup, my darlings. Use it to save money when you check out. Yeah. I love this angle brush. This angle brush is by JUVIAS. It is called eyeliner. It is called eyeliner. And I use this to cut my crease. I have a little bit of a hooded eye, little bit. So I want to go above that, yeah? So I'm gonna go in this way, in here, above the eye. And out. That's what I want. And once you've gotten the shape down, you're fine. You're absolutely fine. And then you just use the base and fill it all in. And then we can go into the fun stage again. This is just the tricky part because you want it to be even. You want both eyes to be even. So that can be tricky, but don't worry about it. You will get it over time with practice. And this, my darling, is by GERARD Cosmetics and it's called Blank Canvas. Again, I have a discount code for you guys. I should call this the discount code episode. And again, Fumi, okay, for GERARD Cosmetics. Then we're going to go in with Crazy Pink again from Ofra. Such a beautiful color. And we're going to fill in that lid. Oh, beautiful, so beautiful. And raise your eye so that you can get right to the edge. And this is such an easy color for a cut crease. It goes right in so neatly. Just look, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Then go in again into the middle and just heighten that color. Oh. Right on the ball of the eye. Give it that lovely 3D effect. It's such a beautiful palette. Oh, I love it. We are going to take ColourPop's black liner. I have a discount code. I have a discount code for ColourPop. 5 Fumi. 5 Fumi. This is so gorgeous. I love this. It's so neat. We're going to trace that all the way out. So let me just use this and hopefully, you know, you guys can see what I'm doing, okay? There you go. Then the latest highlighter from Ofra, Milk and Cookies. Swirl in onto the milk and cookies. And I'm just going to put that on the inside of my eye. Smells like milk and cookies too. Yes. Ooh. Just punch it in there. We're going to go with NYX. And this is the matte liner. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? What do we think, my darlings? What do we think? The lashes are Chioma's. Yes, Chioma by Beauty by JJ. I tell you, I only use Chioma. I just love the way that it looks, that beautiful cat eye. All right, so we're going to go back with Ofra and we're going back with the new Solstice palette. Voila, the new Solstice palette. And this shade, my darlings, is called Frosted. So let's try and put a little bit of that onto the lash line below, just to give it a little volume. I'm going to use the Sweet Electric MIDI palette, just so that I can do this underneath and just not mess up my... Oh, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. And just put a little bit in there. Oh, yes. Oh, so pretty. So, so pretty. And I'm just going to open up the eye, and this is Pixie. Oh, I like it. Oh, do you see how it just whoosh opens up the eye? That's beautiful. And then put a little bit of mascara at the bottom. And we are going to use the Real Magnet Mascara. It is a new mascara by Benefit, and it's got magnet effects on it. This is the shape. Isn't this gorgeous? Just look. Beautiful. It says extreme length, powerful lift, 40% longer, 40 plus longer lashes, magnetically charged. Ah, let's try it. I feel a pull. Oh, wait, Fums. Yes, it's the magnet. Wow. Nothing like a great mascara. Okay, F.D.V approved. I like this. I like this a lot. Wow. That did work. Yes. Alrighty, now this I used in my last episode, and this is the Squad Blush Bronzer Duo Compact. When I tell you, Ofra did this. So my darlings, Ofra sent me their Ride or Die, and these are all blushers. This is what the collection looks like. Ride or Die, and these are the blushers, liquid blushers and liquid blushers. So we're going to go in with a blusher today. Let me just bring it in closer. Do you see that beautiful red and brown? That's what we are playing with. Yes, thank you so very much, Ofra. And we're going to go in with this red, and I love this red one right here just for the cheeks. I love something just to warm up the cheeks. So let's put a little bit. So beautiful, especially for deeper skin tones like me. This is really, really gorgeous. So guys, we're back on the diet. When I tell you, oh, we're back on the fitness. We're working out. Follow me on my stories. Yes, my darlings. And I'm having fun. I'm loving it. And all of you are like, yes, Fumi, let's go. Let's go. This is pretty. This is pretty. I really, really love this. I really love this. They have such great treats coming from Ofra, and I just had to share. We're going to use a little bit of the milk and cookies just to highlight a touch. Oh, it's pretty. Ooh. Oh, yes. Milk and cookies. It's like fire. It is like fire. Wow. Ofra, behave yourselves. Who's excited to watch the Harry and Meghan interview? You know, hosted by Ofra. You can understand the mistake. By Oprah. And it's on the 7th. I cannot wait. This is gorgeous. I love this. This is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Good job. Good job, guys. This is lovely. This is pretty. It really is. And then this lip gloss is called Glossip. Is it called Glossip? Let me just double check. Yes, Glossip. The most beautiful pink. And I'm living for it. You know I love glosses. It smells so nice too. Lovely monochrome look. This is pretty. Oh, what do we think, my darlings? What do we think? This looks so gorgeous. Oh, okay, we're using Mattifying Continuous Mist by Morphe. I don't have a discount code with Morphe, though I wish I did for you guys. There you go. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. I love this. Yes, I love this. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? I love. I live. I feel like Cleopatra. I love the monochrome look. And you can see that you can get away with it. It's not too much. And when I tell you, I love this milk and cookies, the highlighter, look at my nose. I feel like I'm a donut. And this sweet electric palette, just everything just worked. I live. I live for this. It worked. So yes, my darlings, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, to subscribe. Get this channel up. Leave all of your queries, concerns, and compliments in the comment section down below. And I love you guys. I love you. I want you to stay spirited. I want you to stay upbeat and bring out the queen in you. The crown is heavy to bear, but you got the neck and you got the shoulders to carry. Okay? I love you. Love you. Bye.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong.